question, I'm sweating here. If you have any question, please. So please like, please comment everywhere you're watching. Shout out to Jasmine Vlogs in Japan. Shout out Jasmine Vlog in Japan. Bert Window in Cebu. Shout out Bert Window in Cebu. And to all my viewers, silent viewers. Thank you for all my silent viewers. Thank you so much. And to all my subscribers here in the apartment. We live in the apartment. We just close by the grocery store and the fast food, and maybe I'll try to walk there sometime to video. Is in here in the neighborhood. It's not too far. So just wanna keep updating everyone and I was, I think, under the weather for 2 weeks. So we just going out and driving. If you watch my YouTube shorts, a lot of live short videos there on the road driving. So if you have any comments, guys, please comments. And I wanna say thank you everyone for watching. Just everyone that have under the weather, I pray that you will get better. Mga kababayan ko, kumusta na ang lahat? We're talking Bisaya, Tagalog, and English, guys. If you're Tagalog, please comment. If you're Bisaya, please comment. And if you're English, speaking English, please comment. I'm not speaking very good English, but I'm gonna try to understand all. So, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. So what is our topic this time? What is our topic? How is every YouTubers that I have? How is your channel how is your channel going? Is it going up or going down? In sometimes, if you're just watching, I just wanna shout out in your channel. I hope your channel grow. If you're just a beginners, watch a lot of people's live and comments and ask for to subscribe you if you're just new to the YouTube. So thank you guys. I just wanna update. I reached 5,000 subscriber as of 4 days ago. So thank you for all the subscribers and the viewers. I wanna thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah, my voice is still not back to normal because I think I have some cold or something. Anyway, all I did is drink some, well, take some pain reliever sometimes. I'm not sure if I have fever or not, but I think I don't have fever. So just drink a lot of water, eat some oranges, fruits. So that's what I've been doing, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, I mostly do live maybe once a week when I can. Maybe it's outside. So I try to do once a week live. So thank you everyone.